Ever wondered how electric cars could shape our future? It's a tantalizing question, isn't it? As we stand on the cusp of a green revolution, electric cars are increasingly relevant. They offer a promising solution to our growing environmental challenges. These silent, sleek vehicles have the potential to significantly reduce our carbon emissions. Just imagine a world with cleaner air and quieter streets, all thanks to electric cars. Intrigued yet? Let's delve deep into the world of electric cars and unearth some intriguing facts. Contrary to popular belief, electric cars are not a recent invention. They trace their origins back to the 19th century, when inventors across the globe began playing with the idea of battery-powered vehicles. By the late 1800s, these electric carriages were a common sight in major cities, providing a quieter and more comfortable ride than their gasoline-powered counterparts. But as the 20th century dawned, gasoline cars with their longer range and faster refueling began to dominate the roads. Electric cars faded into obscurity, becoming little more than a historical footnote. However, the 21st century brought with it a renewed interest in electric vehicles. Concerns over climate change and air pollution, coupled with advancements in battery technology, brought electric cars back into the limelight. Key players like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet have played pivotal roles in this electric revolution. Tesla, with its high-performance Model S, shattered the misconception that electric cars were slow and boring. Nissan's Leaf, one of the world's top-selling electric cars, has been a testament to the affordability and practicality of electric vehicles. And let's not forget Chevrolet's Bolt, a long-range electric car that's well within the budget of the average consumer. These companies and many others have helped to reshape the automotive landscape, driving us towards a future where electric cars are the norm rather than the exception. Indeed, electric cars have a history as rich and varied as their gasoline counterparts. Electric cars are often touted as zero-emission vehicles, but what does this really mean? Let's dive into the environmental impact of electric cars. These futuristic vehicles hold the promising potential to reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Sounds pretty great, right? But there's a bit more to this story. Electric cars produce no tailpipe emissions when driven. This is a huge plus for the air quality in our cities. By replacing conventional cars with electric ones, we can significantly reduce the amount of nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and other harmful pollutants in the air we breathe. However, it's not just about what comes out of the tailpipe. When we talk about emissions, we need to consider the entire life cycle of the car. From the extraction of raw materials to the car's eventual disposal. This is often referred to as well-to-wheel emissions. Now, you might be wondering about the manufacturing process. And you're right, the production of electric cars, particularly their batteries, does require significant energy and can lead to higher emissions than the production of conventional cars. But don't let this dampen your enthusiasm. Over the lifetime of the car, these higher initial emissions can be more than offset by the lower operational emissions. The balance tips even further in favor of electric cars as the electricity grid becomes cleaner. And that brings us to a crucial point. Electric cars are only as clean as the electricity that charges them. If the power comes from coal, the benefits are less pronounced. But if it's sourced from renewable energy like wind or solar, electric cars can truly be a game changer. So while electric cars can substantially decrease our carbon footprint, we need to simultaneously push for greener energy production. It's a two-pronged approach. While electric cars can play a key role in combating climate change, the source of their electricity is equally important. Electric cars are not just about clean energy, they're also about cutting-edge technology. To start with, let's discuss regenerative braking, a feature that sets electric cars apart from their gasoline counterparts. Regenerative braking is a unique technology that allows electric cars to convert the kinetic energy lost during deceleration back into stored energy in the battery. This means every time you step on the brake, instead of simply wasting that energy as heat, your car is actually recharging its battery. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's talk about the heart of an electric car, the battery. These aren't your ordinary AA batteries. Electric car batteries are high-capacity powerhouses that can store substantial amounts of energy. In recent years, there have been significant advancements in battery technology, increasing their efficiency and lifespan. Lithium-ion batteries, for instance, have become the standard due to their superior energy density and longevity. Moreover, efforts are underway to develop solid-state batteries, which promise even greater energy storage and safety. Moving on, we come to the autonomous driving features that are becoming increasingly common in electric cars. These smart features range from adaptive cruise control and automatic parking to full self-driving capabilities. Electric cars are at the forefront of this technological revolution. With their sophisticated sensors and advanced computer systems, these smart features not only enhance driving comfort but also improve safety by reducing human error. Another often overlooked aspect of electric cars is their mechanical simplicity. With fewer moving parts than conventional cars, there's less that can go wrong, leading to lower maintenance costs. Think about it. No oil changes, no spark plugs, and no exhaust systems to worry about. It's a car owner's dream come true. From their advanced batteries to their smart features, electric cars are truly marvels of modern technology. So, next time you see an electric car zoom by, remember, it's not just a vehicle. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to a sustainable future. The future of electric cars looks bright, but what hurdles do they need to overcome? As we venture into this electrifying era, it's essential to acknowledge the roadblocks that electric cars face. One of the most prevalent concerns is range anxiety, the fear that a vehicle has insufficient range to reach its destination. This concern is not unfounded, as many electric vehicles on the market today offer less range than their gasoline counterparts. But fear not, because car manufacturers are investing heavily in battery technology, striving to extend the range of electric vehicles. Another challenge is the high upfront cost. Despite lower operating costs over time, the initial price tag of electric vehicles can be daunting. However, the tide is turning on this front too. As production scales up and technology improves, the cost of batteries, a significant portion of an electric vehicle's price, is expected to come down. This should make electric cars more affordable in the not-so-distant future. Let's not forget the elephant in the room, the need for a robust charging infrastructure. Charging an electric vehicle is a different ballgame from refueling a gasoline car. It requires time and planning, and the availability of charging stations can be a concern, particularly in rural areas. However, efforts are on to expand the charging network, with both public and private sectors playing their part. The development of faster charging technologies is also on the horizon, which should make charging as convenient as filling up a tank. So yes, electric cars do have hurdles to cross. But every revolution comes with its set of challenges. The important thing is that the wheels are in motion. The world is waking up to the need for sustainable transport, and the auto industry is responding with innovation and determination. Despite these challenges, the momentum behind electric cars seems unstoppable. After all, the future of transportation doesn't just run on electricity, it runs on our collective will to make the world a cleaner, greener place. So let's recap what we've learned about electric cars. The story of electric cars is a fascinating tale of resilience and innovation. From their humble beginnings in the 19th century, electric vehicles have come a long way. They were once considered a curious novelty, but today they are a powerful force driving the transformation of the automotive industry. Electric cars are not just about the race for speed or the quest for convenience, it's about a broader vision of a sustainable future. The environmental impact of electric cars is far less than their gasoline-powered counterparts. They emit zero tailpipe pollutants, making them a clean alternative for transportation. Moreover, the overall carbon footprint of electric cars from production to disposal is significantly smaller, highlighting their potential for combating climate change. The marvels of technology have been instrumental in driving this electric revolution. Innovations like regenerative braking, which converts kinetic energy back into electrical energy, and advanced battery technologies that increase range and decrease charging times, have made electric cars more practical and appealing. However, the road ahead for electric cars is not without its challenges. There are still hurdles to overcome, from the need for a more robust charging infrastructure to the quest for more sustainable battery production methods. But these challenges are not insurmountable. With continued innovation and commitment, we can turn these potential roadblocks into stepping stones towards a cleaner, greener future. So why are we talking about electric cars? Because they represent a crucial part of the solution to one of the most pressing issues of our time: environmental sustainability. They offer a glimpse of a future where technology and nature coexist in harmony, where progress does not come at the expense of our planet. Electric cars represent a bold step toward a more sustainable future. The journey may be challenging, but the destination is well worth the effort.